Okay, this video is for all you dudes out there that have forgotten how to restring a string trimmer. I get it. It happens once in a while. You haven't done this in a year or two. Alright, so you're going to pull the button off the bottom, and we're going to slide this cartridge out. Make sure you don't lose this spring. As you can see, there are some different numbers here. So this particular string trimmer, this Boland's, is compatible with a couple different diameters of string. Now, I'm actually using 2mm still trim string. I'll put a link in the description. I like this. It's pretty tough and it lasts a little longer than some of the other ones. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to set that down. I want 2 arms lengths of this. So, to me, that's about 10 feet. So what I'm going to do is, you're not going to be able to see this because I'm wearing my AI glasses, but I'm going to unwind this thing and I'm going to stretch out my arms. And so I get a good there's about 5 feet right there. So I'll grab it here, unwind some more, and just stretch my arms out right about there. All right, so that is a good enough amount for me. So now I'm just using these loops to kind of get it stuck. And I'll use a pliers. You can use a scissors. We're just going to trim that, and we're done with this. All right, here's the part that everybody forgets. So we're going to put the 2 ends together, just like this, okay? Now, you're going to grab your cartridge, and you're going to find those 2 holes right there. See them? So now we're going to slide the string in. Get it as far into that groove as you can. And now, while holding that string in that groove, start winding. And if you do it right, you can actually pull. See that? And now you can just start winding. So you want to go in the direction against that hole so that it holds on, the little edge holds onto your string. And make sure both strands stay in their respective slots, so to speak. And you're just going to keep winding this up until you kind of get to the end, which right now is a loop. That's okay. And you'll see why in a second. Is this coming back to you? Probably. All right, we're getting close. All right, we're getting to the end here. There's a critical step. When I get to the end, I want to show you. Don't let it cross over. If it crosses over, you're going to have problems when you're using this thing and you're trying to actually call for string. So do not let it cross over. All right, once you're to the end, don't cut it yet. This is 2mm string or 0.08, so go find those little loops. So there's one right here, so I'll slide that one in, and then there's usually one like directly across from it, like right there. See? Now you've got your cartridge wound, I should say. Now you can cut it right in the middle. All right, now here's the key step. When you put your cartridge back in, you want these strings to go through these holes. There's one on each side. And as you slide the cartridge in, you want it to come out of that little groove. Otherwise, you won't be able to unspool it. So I'm going to push the first one in like that. I'll get this string on. And actually, this takes a little finesse. I'm going to try and get this one through the loop. There we go. And now I'm going to line up the groove with it, both sides, and as I push it in, pull it out of that groove. There we go. So it's out of the groove, both strings are through the holes. Hold it with one thumb, and let's get your knob put back on. It should be kind of loose, that's normal. Keep threading until it stops. There you go. Check it out. That is how you rethread a string trimmer. And remember, when you hit this thing on the ground and it pushes up, that's going to allow thread to come out. And don't do that too long, otherwise you're going to waste thread. But as it spins, let's see, mine's coated with grass right now, but there's a little metal notch right there. That's actually going to cut the thread as it's spinning so it doesn't extend beyond this protective shield. That's it. All right, go take care of your yard. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.